Hello, today I came here for a walk. It's a very nice place. It started to rain, not much, but slight rain is there. And I came for a evening walk. Yesterday I took a video. Nice uh, plants, flowering plants. It's a very nice place. Again, it started actually. It's raining, so started raining. So it's a shelter for me. So, so thank you for my viewers. I am Joseph George. I'm an independent researcher. I have a channel, YouTube channel, youtube.com. So many of you may know about my channel and my so it started raining actually. It's a very nice place. So many nice plants are there. This tree, it some edible these fruits. So I don't know this name. It's a edible fruit. It's very tasty, very sweet. It's one juice is coming. This very sweet. I show you that. It's a very tasty, sweet. Such plants are there. Here another plant. It's very. Actually, it's a. This is a city only, but they are here. Because they are maintaining this area well. So it's like a small forest. Actually, this is a part of the city. You could find there's a main road that is going there. Say 50, if you say it's a main road actually, but it's a very nice vegetation here. It's a footpath. Many people come here to do exercise, running. But the one problem is that we could see one warning saying that there are snakes are there. I never seen any snake here, but so there is a warning signal you could see. So actually it's a very nice place, nice grass there. When construction is going, how is happening there. It's actually a children's playground. This tree also a kind of one fruit will come in this tree. A kind of beans, reddish color. I don't know the name of that. Here, if you see this, as I said yesterday, I like watching very closely this. If you see very closely, you will find a landscape here. Some creature. One creature. I don't know what is. Can you see one? I don't know one. Perhaps it's a spider thing, I don't know. So if you see very closely, you could see so many tiny creatures thriving here. Another thing, you could see nature is wonderful. So many people now these days very busy. They do not have, they are all, or they are thinking they do not have, they don't have enough time to observe the nature. In fact, nature is very beautiful and amazing. I used to I like to see very closely this. You could find, see, when I show you one ant colony. See, this ant is working very one by one. It is taking its they'll make a mount and mount. See how they are working hard. They're taking each see one small piece sand, and they're making a hole. I don't know how many answers, I don't know the variety of holes. That is not important for me. Watching the nature, how it works, how a small tiny ant making his hole, and it's quite interesting. So yeah, what? So they're working very hard. So if you see very closely, you will find so many tiny ants and other creatures. See here, could find here another one creature. I don't know the name of that, doesn't matter for me. I'm seeing the nature. One creature walking around. I don't know his name. Probably is searching for his food. I don't know his name. So that's another creature is going there, that side. So quite interesting. I will show you little big ant colony. It's a kind little. It's a large colony. I think there is a big colony of ant. I think it's a trap. Some creature will see one one guy is here. It's a black ant. It's moving. I don't know whether it's related to him, this colony. I don't know. He's slowly moving. I hope many of you like closely watch this nature. Probably this video, probably you will get an inspiration to watch this thing. It's very interesting. It's mind relieving. When you are in a stress mood, you can watch some kind of thing, and you will get see old. Our planet is not only for us. So many creatures are making home. Very small, tiny creatures. So one other guy coming here. So